Phase 1 of India's unlocking beginning today. In most states, religious places, malls and restaurants reopen. There are strict standard operating protocols in place for such reopening. There's going to be mandatory social distancing, the use of masks and sanitizers in all of these establishments. Some places will have disinfectant tunnels also. Remember, all of these places are reopening nearly 2.5 months after the lockdown prompted by the COVID-19 pandemic began. So what's open in most states? Well, religious places, malls and restaurants are going to be open. What stays closed even now? Cinema halls, even those inside malls, are not going to be reopening. Neither are standalone cinema halls. Swimming pools are still a strict no-no, as are gyms. Educational institutions, of course, continue to stay shut. Metro rails in the cities that have them stay shut. There's no international air travel still. Schools, colleges, as we said, and bars. All social, political and sports events are still barred, as are religious functions as well as large gatherings. Well, Sukirti joining us, as we said, from the famous Hanuman Mandir in Delhi, which has opened with some of these strict curbs. Sukirti, take us through these curbs.
Yeah, for the sake of our viewers, we'll just go inside the temple ourselves and give them an actual look of what it feels like. First, this is what happens to you, a thermal scanner. The Panditji is here. He checks your temperature. Then you go inside, start walking ahead inside the Hanuman temple. Now, this is a very famous place. This is the same temple which Mr. Kejriwal visited when he was re-elected this time. This again is the disinfection chamber like this. This is where it sanitizes you like this, and then you start walking ahead into the main area of the temple. Even the stairs have been marked with these yellow markers that you can see on these stairs to ensure social distancing. So a gap of every 2 steps, at a gap of every nearly 2 steps, you are seeing a yellow mark has been made. As we start going inside, we will be seeing these square boxes that have been made all along the path that leads to the main statues. Here also you can see one priest here as well with his spray can. He is also sanitizing everything. This is the main area where all the statues are placed, and you can see these are the frequently touched surfaces. All the bells you can see here, the mandir bells inside, all of them have been covered with cloth so that nobody uses them. That is one major change that you will be seeing here in the temple. Even when you go inside, people can keep the money here, the daan that is usually given inside the mandir, but the usual prasad distribution is not happening. Here also another Panditji with a bottle of sanitizer. So everybody who comes here, they can also sanitize their hands once again after being sanitized at the entry point as well. All of these priests over here, all these you can see square markers for social distancing here as well. So one of Delhi's most famous temples, Ankita, a common place for a lot of people right in the heart of Delhi, but all precautions despite the footfall that they may be seeing. But the priests have told us that at one point of time, not more than 5 to 10 devotees will be allowed inside. Ankita?
All right, it'll be interesting to see how people also react to all the standard operating protocols in place. It's been a stressful time for many, and people clearly want to reach out to their spiritual sources of comfort. Right now, Akshay is with us from Jama Masjid in Delhi, where too there will no doubt be strict guidelines in place. Akshay, what are you seeing there?
Well, Ankita, as of now, the Jama Mosque is closed for the devotees. Here we are standing because we were allowed to come here and shoot. We can show you what exactly will be the view for the people who will be coming here from today, because after more than 2 months, finally, the places of worshipping have been opened across the country. These are the taps where the devotees can come and wash their hands. Here, you can see that there are some norms that have been put in place for social distancing. Here, all of these yellow taps cannot be used, and this is to ensure that social distancing is maintained while a lot of devotees come here. I would like to show you the house here that has been shut for the devotees, so people cannot go and wash their hands. You can see that this is the house where the devotees who used to come to Jama Masjid used to do wuzu before offering prayers here at Jama Masjid. A lot of other changes have been made as far as the mosque is concerned. This is the iconic Jama Masjid, and people who used to come here used to earlier find a common mat for everyone to offer their prayers, but now everyone has to bring their own individual mats, and that common mat has been taken off from here. Also, there are certain other changes that have been made as far as places of common usage are concerned. So here earlier people used to offer their prayers, but now this entire area, this courtyard, has been closed, and only inside the mosque people will be allowed to offer their prayers. Also, as of now, the mosque is closed. Today there will be first prayer in the evening, in the afternoon rather, at 1 p.m. So before, just 20 minutes before that, the mosque will be open for common people, for devotees. So till then people will have to wait, and common footfall is being, people are being told that until and unless they actually want to come here, they should not be visiting in large numbers as far as Jama Mosque is concerned. So this will be a great relief, in fact, Ankita, because a lot of people have been under immense distress, immense, pressure as far as this entire period of lockdown is concerned. They were not able to go out, but finally, as the country reopens, as the places of religious are being opened for the common devotees, they will be finding some solace, finding some kind of faith as far as these places are concerned. So this is a move, a very bold move by the government to open the places of religion, but the government has also clarified that the people should not be going in large numbers. Large gathering must be avoided, social distancing norms must be adhered to as far as these kind of places are concerned, Akita.